know where you're going.
I fucking roast them up with Greg back here.
Oh, the best thing about this slide is there's a circle that you can try to do.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. I brought my Ranger down here when it snowed up good. Right here. I used to be a Ranger guy, believe it or not.
I think you have to use,
I'm gonna jump out.
Hold on, let's just see what we can do.
oh yeah, we got this, bitch.
Yes, let me out.
Baby.
Let me out.
Yeah, you gotta get out.
Let me out. Let me out.
We got about 30.
Oh, this straight piece of shit. Oh, yes, sir. I like that one right now. Yes. Oh my God. You gotta love it. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes! Let's go! Too fresh, Momo.
Bro, we're good.
Burn out this bitch.
We're good.
One last swing for old camera's sake. How ridiculous did that look?
That was great. That was great.
We got to get the hang of this.
Woo! Up to the spot. Yep, rip it.
Oh God.
Oh, no more. Oh, there she goes. All right, let me out. Let me out right now.
She died. She died.
Uh-oh.
We eyed. Hold up.
Oh no.
Here, just
Let it sit for a second. Yeah.
What do you think?
Oh no. Pop the hood.
What do you think we did?
What did we do?
Nah, just tap the
We
pad.
killed it. I can't even get out of this thing.
Oh, the distributor cap probably got wet.
Uh-oh, boys. Uh-oh, boys. The Volvo didn't like that one. Uh-oh, boys. I don't know how to pop it. Oh, there we go. Trying to diagnose the problem here. Fire it up! Stop firing it up. What? Yes, all right, let me show you what we've been whipping around here, boys.
Okay,
What?
so this is the problem. Distributor cap.
All right, what do we got going on here?
It's probably just the.
This is usually my main man behind the mechanic side right here.
I think this distributor cap, the points in the distributor cap probably are a little bit cheap. Fire
it up, yeah.
Come on, bitch. You wanna hit this shit here? This is what it is right here. This thing ain't creating the spark she needs to do. I'll put it right there.
Yep. Here we are stranded.
Give it a crank, give it a crank. Ah, shit. Ah, we really did it this time. Piece of shit! Let's buy a piece of shit!
He said, let's buy a piece of shit.
A piece of shit. What more piece of shit get us?
Only a little bit of rust. Hey.
Yeah, I might have the special touch.
Oh my God.
Maybe if we dance on it, it'll start.
I think I got the special touch, boys. Come on, girl.
All right. No. Let it sit for a minute.
Ugh. Yep, let her sit. Here, Paul. Hey, what's the diagnosis here?
Let me take the camera. All right, so, yeah, she's in park. So basically what happens, when we turn the key, it doesn't start. You can give it the gas.
I think the sending unit might have broke off inside. Probably not getting any fuel.
I don't think she's getting spark. Well, boys,
Fuck. Time to call for a ride.
damn. We'll just give it a second, and
Yeah.
you just wait.
Yep.
Is this your problem?
I think that's your problem right there.
Oh my god. What you doing?
Ma'am. And this guy.
Have you checked the fuses? It broke the fuse. Damn, what type of fuses are those?
Yeah.
From the 1800s.
Fuck.
1800.
You got a piece of tin foil?
No,
Fuck.
no, guys, don't trip. Look,
What do you do?
You gotta fix it?
I'm trying to find one of these
You
joints.
probably
that's
pull the
broke.
steering wheel off here if you're gonna leave this car here.
Oh, really? Good idea. Why didn't I think of that?
Hey, Paul. What's wrong with your shit? Why is it all fucked up?
Well, it's a Volvo. R Sport.
That's where you fucked up.
Fucking rescue.
Killed it, Momo.
Doesn't even know what he's fucking doing. Look at this.
Buddies had to come to the rescue.
Thank you for coming.
Hey, let me do that real quick. Let me take a video. And then you're gonna edit it out.
Of what?
Just doing some dumb shit. Just the rust bucket.
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yep.
All right.
Gotta get them shots. You know what I'm saying?
Where do you want us to push it somewhere?
Yeah, right. Right in this ditch, push it right. Do this, bitch.
All right, leave it. It's gonna go down the hill.
And then the best thing is just.
Where are you taking this? Where are you taking this thing?
What are you doing now? No, they got it. They asked for this. They get this.
Fire it up, fire it up.
Slave on this. Alright, let's get.
I'm fucking done with them.
Yep. Hood shut. Are we ready to dip?
Got the key, got the lighter, got the other battery. We good.
Sounds good. Crown Royal, eh?
Classy.
Classy. What's up, guys? Hey, they always come to the rescue, no cap. We do dumb shit.
Drift this thing, yeah.
Alright, well. God damn!
Shots of this fucking thing.
We got phones. That's what Monster does.
Fuck your wings. I didn't even know this thing could do that.
Pretty nice.
My phone's back there with y'all.
Yo.
Alright.
Alright, so what's happening here is that we're gonna go see and put some gas in this shit and see if we can't get it going. So what do you
My
guys
call, I bet that thing slung a timing belt and they're gonna call my Mexican ass to
fix it after this video.
I think I can agree with him.
Okay, we'll have to see.
Yo. You got this motherfucker cooking. Yo.
We're back. Might have to tow this bad boy back home. We don't know yet. You're about to find out. Shit, it might just start right up. Who knows?
You got the key code?
Yeah.
We're back to the VVS Momo.
Alright. We're gonna crack that timing cover, boys. Oh god.
All right, Ryan, what do we got here? How much gas are we putting in this thing? About 60 cents?
About $2.67 to be exact. Alright.
Just enough to get her purring, we hope.
Oh yeah.
She's drinking it.
That's nice. That's real nice.
Oh my god.
Oh, I fucking hate these gas cans,
We're gonna
bro.
tell this thing the cold part
Dude,
of
who
the
the
street
fuck
if it
is
doesn't
I don't know. Still raining.
There we go, baby.
chug.
I figured out how to use it. Now, this thing's drinking this motherfucker up.
Open that door, I'm about to hop in.
He's Momo. Sometimes for the footage you gotta get wet. They don't call me the cameraman for nothing. Here, take this for a second,
Hey, yo,
Mr. Blake.
save a...
You don't already know what's going on.
Alright. You better save that air and take a little drip up there.
Okay.
Alright, you got gas.
All over the fucking place.
Alright. No, it's not the fuel. It's not the fuel. Posh, what's going on?
It's fun. Gang, gang!
Hey, how about we pop that hood?
Job done.
Pop that hood. I'll take the camera back, Curtis.
Alright, time to do some dirty.
I got you. We'll see what you got going on here.
Oh my gosh, as soon as you got them straight elevator springs up on it.
We need to just tow this thing back to your place.
We need to practice timing cover. Oh! Let's see if the belt's broken right in that way.
Okay.
We're gonna crack this timing
Burn them, God! Burn them! What are you doing? Burn them! Stop! Burn them bitches! Yeah! Come here! That's what I wanted to see. Yes! Oh, he's coming back. Woo!
Made in Mexico. Shit, so alright, we ain't get the car running, but this is the end of this video. Leave a like, give me a sub, you know, drop a comment in the section. We'll get this piece of shit going. Thanks for watching.